But Indian population, even with the calcium, even if it is less, they tend to have a disease. That is what I see.
अच्छा,
Many patients,
अनस्टेबल प्लग्स.
one unstable plaques, and sometimes you feel he won't have anything, but you do a CT, you'll see a very bad disease. Future risk, if you want to reduce, first is most important is the diet. Genetics we cannot change. One thing is there.
अच्छा,
The way we are born, so that cannot be changed. We see so many genetic this, and food can compensate for 20-30%. Having a more of a protein-based, low glycemic index food. That is what I target in all my patients to avoid wheat, rice, and sugar. Antibiotic usage has to be very clear. You cannot have this usage like rampant, anyone using any antibiotic. So these are the main precautions. First is for the diet, it has to be very clear actually.
okay.
And you have to get the proper this without any this organic food and all those. That is very important. That is the reason for this high disease burden seeing exploding nowadays.
Hello and welcome back to Life in Focus. I'm your host, Dr. Anaglakshmi Shirsat-Tarele, and welcome to this channel where you can combine many medical myths and just burst them and then have your own know-how. Our today's guest is a pioneer. He has done over more than 1,50,000 of angiography and angioplasties. Not only that, he has been the person who has brought many radical procedures, many new advances when it comes to cardiology to India. He's an interventional cardiologist by profession who has also trained specially in Taiwan. Welcome to our couch today, Dr. Anuj Basin, sir. So, sir, thank you. Thank you for joining us on Life in Focus. सो सर, जब हम लोग रिसर्च कर रहे थे तो हमें पता चला कि मोर देन 1 लाख एंजियोग्राफीज या एंजियोप्लास्टीज हो चुके हैं. तो इतना क्लोज टू ह्यूमन हार्ट जब आप सोचते हैं तो व्हाट इट इज लाइक, एड्रेनलिन रश होता है, कैसे फील होता है सर आपको?
Actually, I'm in cardiology since last 25-26 years. So the number has gone beyond 1 lakh 50, 1.5 lakh. So, but if you look back, सोचता हूँ क्या कहते हैं इतना closely we are looking at the life and death every day. So realization देख के भी सोच के भी डर लगता है कई बार sometimes. So it is always the hand of God which is there behind you. So he's always working with you actually. You're only doing your job.
बट सर
So
ऐसा है कि नंबर बढ़ते ही जा रहा है, इंसिडेंस भी बढ़ते जा रहा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा
अच्छा.
द मॉर्निंग ओपीडी में ही हमने कम से कम 6 यंग हाइपरटेंसिव लेस देन 25 इयर्स ऑफ एज वो देखे मॉर्निंग में आज.
अच्छा.
मतलब दिस इज सरप्राइजिंग एक्चुअली. यही नंबर हार्डली 25 के नीचे कोई एक पेशेंट आता था 2008-9 में. सो वी यूज्ड टू हैव 100 इन्वेस्टिगेशन सर्चिंग फॉर द कॉज. It has become so much frequent nowadays that you don't feel like क्या कहते हैं कि उतने ज़्यादा टेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत है because सब इतने यंग आए जा रहे हैं 18, 19, 20, 25 and the females of they are just married
ओके.
28, 29, 30 with a heart attack. So this is very painful nowadays.
तो सर लाइफस्टाइल का उसमें रोल है काफी सारा.
Yes,
क्या?
lifestyle is playing a role because they must be having late night shifts and proper food at the time. At that time, मतलब right time पे food खाना वगैरह नहीं हो पा रहा. And other important thing is what I feel these patients, these people what are coming, that more of a processed food and all what they are taking.
ओके.
So that might be causing the whatever pesticide level is high, whatever it is. So that is causing more, I think. That's the reason we are seeing bad disease in a patient with age less than 40. Both males and female.
अच्छा, ऐसा
Not
नहीं है
only the
कि
single.
मेल से भी.
एक नहीं है सब में. And previously कभी कोई हार्ट अटैक का पेशेंट आता था we used to think कि हाँ भाई एक पेशेंट एक आधा ब्लॉक रहेगा. But now you always see a triple vessel bad disease. 4 to 5 stents तो मतलब it has become common like. We
अच्छा.
used to only 1 or 2 stents, but nowadays it is like you have to use stents, drug-coated balloons along this because you cannot make a full metal jacket in the vessels.
राइट.
So you have to preserve those vessels for future bypass and all other things in
Yes,
these young
yes.
patients.
Yeah.
So the strategy we have changing.
Okay.
So it's tough times ahead for the younger generation.
So sir, was being a cardiologist always your dream या ऐसे मतलब जब MBBS में कुछ inspirational thing हो गई जिसके वजह से आपने ये choose किया?
I always wanted to become a cardiologist from the class 8th and made up my mind.
अच्छा. Okay.
So it was like a one-way track. There was nothing, no, I had to do the cardiology only. So that was this.
ऐसे
So
मतलब इतने लाइक ऐसे कोई था सर, कोई मेंटोर या कोई जिनको देख के आपको ऐसे लगा था कि
mentor, my father suffered from this heart attack. So 2-3 months were a very tough time till his bypass was there. That was way back in '86.
अच्छा,
So
86
from
में.
that time only, he wanted always to become a cardiologist only. So it was a one-way track. So never distraction actually.
सो सर हम जब भी ब्लॉकेज के बारे में सुनते हैं और जब भी आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स वगैरह भी दिखते हैं तो दे ऑलवेज शो यू नो द वेसल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ पाइप जिसमें क्लॉगिंग हो रहा है या ऐसा कुछ. बट ये जस्ट एवरी टाइम कोलेस्ट्रॉल नहीं होता, राइट? देर आर सम अदर फैक्टर्स ऑल्सो. सो सर व्हाट आर दोज अदर फैक्टर्स और उनको प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं क्या?
The other factors in these patients ना इनमें clots बनते हैं. The blockage is not very significant
ओके.
in young patients. Like nowadays post COVID we are seeing more clot formation young
अच्छा.
patients. So even if you just remove the clot, the patient is fine. Then subsequently आप blood की investigation करते हैं, you see lot of blood disorder in these patients, young patients. Secondly, smokers अगर हैं तो clot formation रहता है, तो once you just remove it, the vessel is okay. So prevention in a patient like high risk, we know these are smoker, family history is there, we can do a CT angio in these patients.
ओके.
Because CT angio is very important part. That means that is has become, I don't rely nowadays more on the stress test,
अच्छा.
more on the CT angio, because we have so many patients जिनको TMT has been negative, everything has been negative. My friend have been there, everything is negative, but he is telling no, the pain is there.
अच्छा.
So you do a CT angio, you see significant lesions in those
Caesar
patients. So
Okay.
CT angio has become a very important tool nowadays. So the unstable plaques can be seen only on the CT angio, not on the normal angiography.
Yes, sir. That's true.
So that way, these patients you can miss. Sometime it has happened the patient has angiography is normal,
Okay.
the normal, and by the evening he has a heart attack.
अच्छा.
So these unstable plaques you tend to miss on the normal angiography. So CT will take over all those things
Okay.
in the future, because uh, that is a better modality for picking up all this, looking at the calcium score. Like CTs and all this, they have essential part in the emergency treatment in US now.
Yes.
Any patient who comes with the chest pain, he has to go to the CT after doing the enzymes.
Okay.
If calcium score is high, then they will go for the routine angiography.
Okay.
So that's the way they are picking up. But Indian population, even with the calcium, even if it is less, they tend to have a disease. That is what I see.
अच्छा.
Many patients,
Unstable plaques.
one unstable plaques, and sometimes you feel ki he won't have anything, but you do a CT, you'll see a very bad disease.
Okay. When in
Indian
younger
disease
patients,
is different. Younger population coming, matlab, it's better to do a CT when you have a element of doubt actually. In the stress test, unless until somebody runs for 10 to 12 minutes, the results will always be like plus
normal
minus. Yeah,
plus
plus
minus.
minus you cannot surely say, because
Okay,
they have to
disease
reach the
again.
stage 4 on the
Okay.
TMT. Then
अच्छा.
only you can clearly say, okay, this patient is fine, nothing is there.
Okay. But then, sir, जो standard angiogram रहता था, but nowadays we, you know, like you guys are introducing IVUS या OCT. तो somebody who is not a doctor, अगर उनको ये सब terms understand करने हैं तो like what do they entail, sir?
Intravascular ultrasound, like ours was the first center in 2009 when I introduced the IVUS, and OCT also 2012 I introduced in Mumbai.
Okay.
So, but more inclined toward you can see the vessel properly in these patients. But
Okay.
application in these patient is one, if you have some doubt that okay, this blockage is significant or not, then you use an IVUS.
Okay.
And after the angioplasty, you look at it whether stents are properly deployed.
अच्छा. So for
That
the
is the
deployment.
most important indication.
Okay.
So 80% of my procedures जो हम angiography जो angioplasty करते हैं, I always use IVUS in these patients. That is
Okay.
since last 17-18 years. So because IVUS always tells you it is properly deployed. Sometime in angiography, everything looks fine.
अच्छा.
But if you look at IVUS,
Then it
your
is
stent is
everything.
not properly expanded.
Okay.
So it is mandatory actually. In US, they have made it like a class 1A indication now.
अच्छा.
They're
IVUS.
making it like a class 1
Class one
indication
indication.
using an IVUS in selected subset. Like we do
Okay.
a left main angioplasty, you have to do an IVUS.
Okay.
Big vessel, you always do an IVUS. Otherwise, you will mismatch in size and patient, the stent clot formation will happen actually.
But sir, ये जो reels में वगैरह दिखाते हैं कि it's a microscope in your vessels. Is it really like that for a layman?
Yeah, it's a microscope. You can see properly like an ultrasound. It is. There's an ultrasound probe only revolving around.
Yes.
So you can properly size your stent size, the vessel size. You can look at it. Ki, suppose heavy calcium is there. Which type of modality you want to use?
अच्छा. Okay.
Whether you want to use that modality or not.
Okay.
If there is a 360-degree calcium, then you use the some other
Some other
modality. If there is not 360, use other. So it's
Different.
quite important actually nowadays. It's previously it used to be elective,
अच्छा.
but now it is, I think, mandatory to do an IVUS actually. In this era, 2026, we should
You
not do
cannot do. Yeah.
मतलब routine nearly 80 to 90% of the cases we should use an IVAS.
बट सर ये सब ऐसे लाइक बहुत ज्यादा फैसिनेटिंग चीजें हैं, राइट? सो इन द पास्ट ये सारे जो आजकल के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, जो लाइक माइक्रोस्कोप से कैमराज है, दे यूज टू बी नॉट अवेलेबल. सो देन इज देयर अ वे कि लाइक कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट एम्प्लॉय जिसमें आप एग्जैक्ट साइज या ये सब गेज कर सकते हैं ऑफ द लीजन?
Previously, iOS is there since ages actually. People were not using. That was the only problem.
ओके.
It was there since means I started cardiology 2002. So iOS was there till that actually
अच्छा,
2005 6.
IVS was there
That's
at
the
that
reason
time.
when I came back to India in 2008 9. So I did all the nearly in all my cases using an iOS in these cases. So it was there only, but
Okay.
people were not using it. Now with this more complex angioplasty, something new has to be done. So that's the reason it is
It
gaining
is
this.
evolving.
Evolving, it has evolved only. It was lesser usage. In Japan in 2006, I remember 80% of the interventions were with IVAS.
अच्छा, सो वे बैक
In
ना
Japan, that
2006
was
आज
way
से
back
20
in
साल
that time.
बराबर.
And OCT I introduced in Mumbai in 2012-13.
ओके.
So I did 12-14 years.
That's a long time, sir.
A long time.
But sir, any procedure or anything which can be done to prevent a future heart attack? Like अगर कर रहा है patient अभी और future की risk कम हो सकती है?
Future risk, if we want to reduce, first is most important is the diet. Genetics we cannot change. One thing is there.
अच्छा.
The way we are born, though that cannot be changed. We see so many genetic this, and food can compensate for 20-30%. Having a more of a protein based low glycemic index food, that is what I target in all my patient to avoid wheat, rice and sugar. So
बराबर.
that is what most important. Another thing is when you do the CTs in all these patients, if you see unstable plaques or plaques somewhere or calcium score is high, nowadays you have new injections,
अच्छा. Okay.
uh,
So
PKC2 inhibitors and this insulin and all that you can use in all these patients. And I have seen regression happening with these patients.
okay.
Some of my young patient. So I tell always all the young cardiologists that future we are going to change. We are only going to stent the tight lesions.
Okay.
Suppose 90% blockage, we are going to stent that.
अच्छा.
But if the lesion is 40-50%, 30-40-50%, we are going to manage it with that injections.
Okay.
And when you repeat the CT after 6 months or 1 year, there's total disappearance of the lesion.
Okay.
That has also
So
happened in majority of the patients. It really works.
Okay.
Initially, you always feel ki pharma is just making
Yeah,
it like
they
that,
are
but no.
making the
But when you start looking at all the CT results, they are working actually. So there will be a change in cardiology in next 4-5 years.
okay. So
हाँ.
एकदम paradigm shift आने का in the way of
Young
treatment.
patients will definitely have this.
Okay.
And only thing is the country should be more inclined for they should think more about next 100 years, the way we look in the US and all. So we have to have a very good control over our what we are going to eat.
Okay.
That is very important because if our food and everything is contaminated with pesticide, nobody can do anything. Whatever precaution you take,
Take. Okay.
you see a lot of young deaths happening and young disease morbidity is going to be there. So they have to be very clear. Secondly, antibiotic usage has to be very clear. You cannot have this usage like rampant, anyone
Hmm.
using any antibiotic. So
Right.
these are the main precautions. First is for the diet, it has to be very clear actually.
Okay.
And they have to, you have to get the proper this without any
Right,
this
right.
organic food and all those. That is very important. That is the reason for this high disease burden seeing exploding nowadays.
Yes. So because so even if somebody is leading a healthy lifestyle, like we get to see these cases ki athlete hai, they are running on the treadmill, sudden collapse hai. तो फिर what are the factors? These people might be sir eating healthy, like doing the
They are
routine.
eating healthy, but important is anyone having a very high intensity exercise. Nowadays they should get their proper checkup done. One.
Okay.
Secondly, CT we cannot recommend in a 30-year-old patient. That is only with a high risk, 35-40. But diet you cannot have control. That's what the reason I'm telling that country has to change. The
Okay.
thinking has to change. We cannot have a thinking ki aaj ka din chal gaya.
अच्छा.
That is the reason.
Okay.
They have to think for the next 100 years.
Talking about like calcified like the calcified stenosis, जो भी ऐसे एंजियो में जब टर्म लिख के आता है तो पेशेंट्स यूजुअली प्रीवियसली दे यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट शैल आई गो फॉर अ बाईपास, मैं क्या करूं? तो टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू अ ले मैन, व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली?
कैल्शियम इज ए नॉर्मल हैपनिंग वेन एवर द जब भी बीमारी होगी तो कैल्शियम साथ में आएगा ही आएगा. It is like
अच्छा,
this. Some will have a more calcium and this. Previously, calcium was like calcified arteries, go for a bypass surgery. It is not easy for a surgeon also to put a graft on those calcified vessels.
calcified vessels. Okay.
So actually, rotablation is a very old technique. It's a rota was used since 90s when even the stents were not available.
Okay.
At that time also the um, rotablation was used. So rota can just knock off the calcium and you can expand your stent. So nowadays, like these three modalities are there. One is a rota, second is a orbital atherectomy. The third
अच्छा,
one is a
atherectomy.
intravascular lithotripsy, same way like the stones in the
Stones जैसे
kidney. So that
बराबर.
you can use all those three techniques actually.
Okay.
So those can give a, they are giving very good result actually.
Okay.
So it is not mandatory the calcified vessel you have to go for a bypass surgery. No.
Okay.
हाँ, in this.
सर जनरली ऐसे हम लोग को कोई देख के जिसको चेस्ट पेन हो रहा है तो अप्रोच क्या करना चाहिए क्योंकि लोग तो बहुत कुछ देख रहे हैं पढ़ रहे हैं कुछ भी करे जा रहे हैं सर
Nowadays it is very easy. किसी को भी chest pain है तो immediately first thing, even if it is feel is a gas or whatever it is,
हाँ
you should take an ECG nearest hospital.
ओके
रीच द नियरेस्ट हॉस्पिटल. ये नहीं कि इस हॉस्पिटल उस हॉस्पिटल में इधर जाऊंगा उधर जाऊंगा इधर नहीं जाऊंगा. आप ईसीजी निकालिए. क्या कहते हैं, आपको कोई डॉक्टर जानता है या वहाँ पे डॉक्टर बता रहे हैं क्या कहते हैं ईसीजी में क्या है, तो जस्ट रिलाई एंड देन टेक द डिसीजन. ये नहीं कि ईसीजी निकालना ही नहीं है, घर से ही निकले नहीं है, मैं कल निकाल लूंगा सुबह. डोंट डिले
डोंट
इट
डू दैट
बिकॉज मेजोरिटी ऑफ द पेशेंट जो बैड हो जाते हैं उनका हिस्ट्री लेते हैं तो घर में उन्होंने ईसीजी निकाला ही नहीं, मैं कल सुबह जाके निकालता हूँ. दे बिकम बैड बाय दैट टाइम.
अच्छा
सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट पेशेंट शुड रीच द हॉस्पिटल इन टाइम.
ओके
अगर फैसिलिटी है वहाँ पे एंजियोप्लास्टी का प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी होता है दिस, देन डू द प्राइमरी एंजियोप्लास्टी इमीडिएट. प्राइमरी इज लाइक यू डू इट इन फर्स्ट 91 आवर, देयर वोंट बी एनी मैसर डैमेज.
अच्छा
या वो भी अगर डिले होता हुआ दिख रहा है डॉक्टर का, गेट एन इंजेक्शन.
ओके
एटलीस्ट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट इट शुड बी दिस.
बट सर लोग
द मोमेंट इट रीचेज अ प्लेस एक्चुअली हॉस्पिटल, बट गेट द ईसीजी एंड एवरीथिंग डन.
सर ये लोग सॉर्बिट्रेट वगैरह खाते हैं वो एडवोकेटेड है क्या
नहीं, डोंट गो बाय दोज ऑल दिस थिंग्स. अगर किसी को चेस्ट पेन भी है, उसको थोड़ा सा भी वहाँ लगता है तो घर में डिस्प्रिन रह सकता है. डिस्प्रिन जो होती है डिसॉल्वेबल रहता है,
हाँ
उसको वाटर में डिसॉल्व करके ले लीजिए.
ओके
20% ऑफ द पेशेंट का आर्टरी खुल भी जाएगा.
ओह
वेरी हाई चांसेस, 17 to 20% ऑफ द पेशेंट दे कैन ओपन द आर्टरीज. बट नेवर टेक सॉर्बिटेड. कभी नहीं लेना कि सॉर्बिटेड लेके लोग प्रेशर डाउन कर देंगे, जो आर्टरी खुली है वो भी बंद कर देंगे.
बराबर
So they will come in a low. That used to be time जब previously multiple blockages at that time आप sorbitate use करते थे. The one thing which people can do is, which is not going to harm them, is take a Disprin dissolve, because it will immediately reach. The other Ecosprin, it takes time because it's an enteric coated.
Yes.
So it takes time for it to absorb. But Disprin is rapidly
Yeah, dissolvable.
dissolvable. So that should be taken initially at this and reach it. Don't delay it. कोई बात नहीं, महीने में 2 बार इसी निकालनी पड़ जाएगी. That's not a big thing. But yes, the life will be saved and heart damage can be minimized.
So sir, once such a chest pain वाला patient reaches hospital, then क्या क्या procedures होते हैं? Usually patients को क्या क्या options दिए जाते हैं सर?
2 ही ऑप्शन दिए जाते हैं मोस्टली. तो क्या कहते हैं, या तो इमीडिएटली जहाँ पे फैसिलिटी है एंजियोप्लास्टी का एंजियोप्लास्टी, और सेकंड इज अ गिव अ इंजेक्शन एक्चुअली.
अच्छा
हाँ,
ब्लड
तो दैट इज द 2 ऑप्शंस व्हाट इज गिवन इन द मोस्ट ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल द रीच. हाँ, वेटिंग फॉर 3-4 days देन डूइंग इट, दैट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस.
ओके
दैट इज जस्ट लाइक अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम.
so primary angioplasty should be done in
हाँ,
a
he
time
should be
period.
done unless
Okay.
until patient heart failure में आपको stabilize करना पड़ा, then the things are different. But patient when he reaches, he should be immediately treated for that, because wastage of time is muscle.
हाँ that's true
The more you waste the time, the more the muscle gets this.
sir. Yes
The long term the damage is there, because it is not like skin कि वहाँ पे वापस skin आ जाएगी. No,
नहीं
once the muscle is gone in the heart, it's gone.
yes so बात तो ये भी है कि 90% of the people don't even know कि heart is actually a muscle.
Yeah.
या तो फिर मतलब दे लाइक ऐसा कुछ है सर कि जो एथलीट्स रहते हैं ज़्यादा मसल बिल्डिंग करते हैं वगैरह उनको ज़्यादा प्रोपेंसिटी रहती है ऑफ हार्ट अटैक या सडन कोलैप्स ऐसा कुछ
नहीं, वैसा नहीं है. वैसा
ऐसा
नहीं.
नहीं ओके
दिल में मच बेटर दिस. क्या कहते हैं, बहुत हैवी एक्सट्रीम एक्सरसाइज शुड बी अवॉइडेड.
ओके
That can cause other problems actually.
यस
Arrhythmias, it can cause a lot of dehydration. Sometimes you see in the athletes they're suddenly collapsing actually.
ओके
Hmm.
So, sir, we spoke about the treatment options. We spoke about IVUS, rotablation, OCT. तो अगर जनरल पब्लिक को ये सारे टर्म्स एक्सप्लेन करने होंगे तो कैसे करेंगे सर?
The IVUS is called as an intravascular ultrasound.
Okay.
So there is a catheter, and the catheter has a ultrasound probe in that.
Okay.
So when it moves in the vessel, it is same like an angioplasty, same wire, it goes on the same, it is same mechanism is same only. It has to go inside on the wire with the angioplasty catheter only.
Okay.
At that time you look at the vessel, so that is an ultrasound only.
Okay.
So the only thing is you are seeing the ultrasound from inside the vessel
Acha.
rather than from the outside.
Outside.
What we look from the ultrasound outside,
Yeah.
here your ultrasound is being done in the vessels.
Okay.
So you look at the plaque morphology भी कितना है, कैल्शियम है ज़्यादा उसमें, कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज़्यादा है, fibrosis ज़्यादा है, then you can choose your
Choose it.
what type of modality you want to use to bring the best of the results actually. So
Okay.
nowadays what has happened ना, we have gone way beyond this. Previously क्या होगा भाई, हो गया angioplasty हो गया, no, now you have to focus on the results also.
Acha.
हाँ, so how to choose a proper device for that.
Okay.
So that is a IVUS. And in a rotablation is like if you see a very 360-degree arc of calcium.
Okay.
You know, if you are
Rotablation.
going to use your balloon, the vessel will rupture.
Oh.
So there
okay.
you use
हाँ,
this
बराबर.
rotablation. So rotablation has a diamond tip burr. So
अच्छा.
that diamond moves forward and cuts off the calcium at a very high speed.
Okay.
1,50,000 RPM to 2 lakh RPM.
Oh.
It's a very high speed burst, so you have to be careful while doing the procedure. So that only cuts the calcium, knocks off the calcium on this, and by that way you can open your artery much better, because the more area you achieve after your angioplasty, the more the long-term result it is going to have a better result. The more this area is there.
Because sir बराबर है, अगर young patients है तो फिर we have to think about longevity also ना.
Longevity, perfect results, because the stents, they have reached that stage where they are going to give the result. Drug-coated stent.
Okay.
We had a drug-coated stent 2002 October, launched in
Long.
2002 October. So from that time we are doing an angioplasty with a drug-coated stent. So now we have third, fourth generation stents. The results are good actually. So there is no scope of development in those.
Okay.
The development will come here only where you're going to, because drug-coated stent, if some failure is there, you have to look at the ultrasound, why it failed.
Right.
Some micro fractures are there,
Yes.
or you missed the sites. Some
बराबर.
missed, so that you look at with an IVUS and this. So you have to give your results. So that's the reason we are using more IVUS.
Okay.
The results, they matter actually nowadays. So that's the reason of using an IVUS.
Okay.
That is the way I look at the IVUS
Okay.
ultrasound.
So it's like, it is added something like, more, what you can say, an added benefit of using an IVUS.
Yeah, added means I will never like to do an angioplasty of my relative without an IVUS.
Okay. So, sir, any specific, things which you want to advise to young cardiologists ki, this things should be in your setup.
They should have everything in the setup, ultrasound and everything.
Okay.
Moreover, competency should be there actually.
Okay.
That is there.
Okay, sir.
It takes time to learn all those things.
Yeah. It takes a large number of patients also. Sir.
Mm.
So सर ये नया आजकल सुना है कि लेजर इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड और उसके साथ में एंजियोप्लास्टी हो जाती है, स्टेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं पड़ती. व्हाट इज इट अबाउट सर?
लेज़र इज़ ए टेक्निक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्निक एक्चुअली. सबसे ज़्यादा लेज़र की मशीन्स भी कंट्री में ही अभी देर सेलिंग हेयर, बट दैट इट्स जस्ट ए इवॉल्विंग टेक्निक एज सच.
ओके.
लेज़र इट इवेपोरेट्स द टिश्यू. जैसे स्टेंट के अंदर टिश्यू आया तो टिश्यू को इवेपोरेट कर देगा वो. देन यू कैन यूज अ ड्रग कोटेड बैलून ऑन दैट. जो पहले इंस्टेंट रिस्नोसिस होते हैं, हार्ट अटैक का पेशेंट है उसमें इवेपोरेट कर देता है क्लॉट्स, बट स्टेंट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड.
Stent will be required.
It is a myth मतलब कि stent is not required in this.
Okay.
It can only assist in the passage of your balloons and all other things.
Okay.
जिसका already stent है वहाँ पे you can use a laser and then the balloon, drug-coated balloon.
Okay.
There you can avoid it, but otherwise it makes your result much better.
Okay.
जो डैमेज हार्ट अटैक के क्लॉट से होती है वो इवेपोरेट कर देता है, तो क्लॉट डिस्टल का डैमेज नहीं रहता.
अच्छा.
पेशेंट हैव a very good result with this.
Okay.
So those are added, means I told you ना कि कहते there's the techniques are more in this, there where you want to focus on your results.
Okay.
It is not that you have done your job and हो गया काम खत्म. No.
नहीं.
Long term result.
बराबर.
So all these things, there the laser is a very important tool actually. The cost is high of the laser, but results are very good actually. That is last 400 cases what I have done. Really, in fact,
400. So it is मतलब इतना कॉमन हो चुका है सर कि almost 400 is a
no,
large
that
number.
is a maximum.
Okay.
I have done this country में 1 or 2 people have only done this much cases.
So then you are pioneer in many procedures. So
Yeah.
what are those procedures? एक अगर बताने हो सबको तो.
This RotaPro, we just have this rotablation. Then this IVUS 2009. I had 45 megahertz. I launched in the country at that
Okay.
time. Then Orbital was, we were the first center to this having
So
orbital at that time.
Okay.
Then this laser, the
Yeah.
Maxim cases, although the first machine was there in Breach Candy, but Maxim cases we had done at first.
Okay.
So a lot of coronary procedures we have been doing quite this aggressively over the years.
Many more advances to come, sir. Anything which like you are
Uh,
looking on the
The
horizon?
many advances are coming, like we can save a very bad patient with the Impella-like devices. The cost is very high. That's the
Acha.
only problem. The
Okay.
cost restraints are there.
Yes. Obviously in
Those
India, to sir.
companies, they are not coming down on the cost.
Okay.
So the moment they decrease the cost, I can definitely say that some of the patients, more number of patients will be able to save actually.
Okay.
Some we had lost previously, we wouldn't have lost with those devices.
Acha.
Only thing, the expense is going huge. Like ECMO I was a second machine in the ECMO in Mumbai at that time. But now the ECMO is very frequent in this.
Frequent. Yes.
So a lot of ECMO machines are there now.
Yes.
ECMO has picked up like this. So
Sir, फिर भी the incidence of death is still high when it comes to that. When
no,
it
it
comes
is
to
very less. It's very less.
Okay, so it
It's
is
very,
reduced over a period
it has
of this.
definitely reduced actually.
Okay.
It has definitely reduced. So that number in the cardiogenic shock in our series is very low.
Okay.
What people say that in heart attack with shock,
Huh.
more than 60% death rate is there.
Death
That is what the books mention.
True.
But we don't have less than 10%.
Oh.
Hardly we lose.
So that's a good number, sir. Like
Yeah,
considering.
that's a very good number with such a bad disease. I can tell you the spectrum of the disease. What we used to look at 2012, before 2012, it was different.
Acha.
After
And now?
2012 to 2018, it was different.
Okay.
Post-COVID, it is different.
So what
It
are
has
the
become more
changes?
bad.
It's become more bad.
We had a very simple disease. I don't remember after 2012 doing these procedures, this much complex procedure. Now the complexity, the disease, everything is changing.
So sir, we have this tradition कि हम लोग एक rapid fire खेलते हैं.
Yeah.
But in this rapid fire, sir, I want to make it a little bit different because there are a lot of myths when it comes to cardiac diseases and all which are circulating on social media. So I'll just say a myth. आप बताइए sir कि actuality क्या है? If we have a stent after a disease or essay, then we can exercise or lift heavy weights. So is it true or a myth, sir?
No, we should always post stenting. After 6 months to 1 year, get your CT angio done. Everything looks fine. Then do a moderate type of exercise, not very heavy exercise.
Okay.
Because that can cause, if a patient is heart attack, दोबारा plaque rupture होगा, दोबारा heart attack बैठ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
So they should have a moderate amount of exercise. They can do yoga and all other things where you will never hear कि कोई yoga करते करते हो गया.
ये हो गया.
But heavy exercise on the treadmill, yes,
definitely.
the number is huge.
Young people को जो blockages होते हैं वो calcified नहीं होते हैं. Calcified blockages are seen only above patients with above 70 years of age.
No, some amount of calcium is always there in the young also. Nowadays you see young also with the calcium. That is the reason you do CT.
Okay.
In CT, like a 40 years, you see a calcium, that means he has a high tendency of disease.
Okay. अच्छा.
He'll have that.
So that is a very early screening tool. जैसे.
Early screening tool. Calcium score is this.
Then if you take a aspirin daily, then you can prevent heart attack for many years.
You can prevent heart attack, but patient will die because of the GI bleed. So don't take aspirin. Only patient indicated aspirin usage has been very less with me. I can tell you, since last 14 years, after 1 year of angioplasty, I removed the aspirin. Okay. The guidelines are not like that, but I removed the aspirin. So that's the reason of a very less number of my patient having a GI bleed. Okay. Because that also will come in the latest papers. I think in 1 or 2 years, they'll say aspirin is a dustbin drug. Achha. You cannot take aspirin for prophylaxis because GI bleed. Just now 2-3 patients have been admitted for the just bypass done somewhere else and with the GI bleed. Oh. So we should not take routine aspirin. Okay. They come in guidelines, they come in this, but we should not take it.
तो सर एट लार्ज अगर जो भी व्यूअर्स सुन रहे हैं उनको कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हैं तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
That is only thing that message is that they should take care of their heart. Foremost is they should get a proper screening done, and anytime the chest pain is there, go to the nearest doctor, get an ECG done. वो दिन नहीं रहे जब क्या थी ECG निकलने के लिए बहुत लंबा जाना पड़ता था. अभी तो गली गली में घर में भी आके निकालते हैं ECG.
हाँ, घर पे.
That is also there. So at least this and healthy diet they should take, and some time they should take out for the exercise. And if they are not able to take, then do a long intermittent fasting. that also helps like that.
सो थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू
Thank
फॉर जॉइनिंग अस और इतने सारे इंसाइट्स देने के लिए और इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस जिसके लाइक मुझे खुद को भी बहुत सारे डाउट्स थे, तो थैंक यू फॉर क्लियरिंग ऑल ऑफ देम एंड थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन लाइफ इन फोकस सर.
Thank you.
Thank you. So today was an incredibly eye-opening thing, right? You learned so much about human heart. You learned that even youngsters are suffering from heart disease and the treatment is not conventional anymore because you have to think about the longevity. If you have many such questions or you want to ask your doubts, please subscribe and also put in comments. We'll get back to you. Thank you and stay focused.